Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video I'm going to be talking about a very handy little pro tip here about marking which end of the bar that you're going to be working on. Now you can do this in many different ways. Oftentimes I've found the easiest way for me to take and do this is to just simply put a piece of tape across it. So that's going to be my pro tip for you, is whatever end of the bar that you're not going to be hammering on to be making your item, like in the instance of making this pin or making this hinge that I'm making for a customer, take and put a piece of tape on the end that you're going to be holding. Because a bar without a piece of tape on it, give me a second, will look like this when it's hot. That will look exactly like that when it's hot for the most part, until you start seeing some heat marks come up. But until that happens, it always happens, you drop your bar, you reach down to go pick it up, and you scald your hand because you ended up grabbing the wrong end. So don't let that be you, don't let that be your story. Again, take and use caution when you're picking things up in your own shop. I get this all the time wrong. I get it wrong all the time and I pay for it. So in fact, I burnt my hand earlier today just doing that. It wasn't a severe burn or anything, but it was worth notating, and I figured that that might help somebody out there in the blacksmithing community. So this little project that I'm working on here is just a set of hinges for a customer. Actually, there's going to be a pair of hinges. Hinges are not one of my favorite duties in the world to take and have to make, but this particular fireplace screen that I'm working on requires them. So again, I had to take and have a pin that I can form this around that'll eventually be my pin stock in the long run. And what did I do? Sure enough, as I'm sitting here, the bar went whoop onto the floor once I was putting a piece of metal back in, came back out, went and grabbed, and since everything's dark in the shop, I grabbed the hot end. Yowza. So that's it for this little pro tip. I hope that'll help somebody out there. If you liked this video, leave it a like, comment what you thought down below. And as always, I appreciate your support in making these videos by going over there at blacksmithpdfs.com, at our website where we sell power hammer plans and templates and things like that to help you in your blacksmithing journey and making a living at a blacksmith, as a blacksmith, I should say. So without further ado, I'm going to get back to forging. God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.